Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create new sheets in Google Sheets. So let's get started guys. Here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone. And if we want to create new sheets in Google Sheets, the first thing we have to do is we can click on this plus button right here and we can choose new spreadsheet, or we can choose template from the Google Sheets, or you can also open the existing file that has been available on your Google Sheets. And for me, I'm just going to create new spreadsheet, so click on new spreadsheet right here. Okay, and after that the new spreadsheet will be created. And if we want to create new sheets on this spreadsheet, we just need to click on this plus button, and this is the first tab sheet, and I'm going to add new sheet right here, so just click on this plus button, and this is the second sheet that we can edit. Okay, and this is the first sheet and this is the second sheets. Okay guys, and that's how we can create new sheets in Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.